Hey friends, welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. If you are new to my channel, come here. Hey, welcome. My name is Christina. Nice to meet you. To my amazing supporters, thank y'all so much for all of your amazing support. Y'all, I appreciate y'all so much. That's all I can say. I'm so excited. This is like my first video in like a few days. I haven't filmed. Well, not really. I took like 2 days off of filming though, for real. But I'm back and your girl is getting ready for work. Yeah, I said work. If you know, you know. No, I'm just kidding. But obviously y'all, this is a get ready with me video. I'm pretty much done getting ready. I'm gonna roll the clip though, and then we gonna get into it. But before I roll the clip, y'all know the drill. Today is Monday, first day of work. Monday, December 12th. It's currently 12:24 p.m. y'all. It took me forever to get ready. I don't know what was up with me this morning, but it took your girl forever to get ready. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna roll the clip and then we're gonna talk because I got some content for y'all. That's all I'm gonna say. I got some content. Okay, so we're gonna talk. I'm gonna roll the clip, let y'all watch me getting ready. It's gonna be a speeded up version, y'all, as I told y'all, because like the clip of me actually getting ready, that's like a real 30-minute clip. So I had to speed it up because baby, who gonna sit there and edit 30 extra minutes when you could just speed it up? Not me. So I'm gonna see y'all after this clip though. So enjoyed that speeded up version of me getting ready. I just gotta put my jewelry on, y'all. I am not sure when y'all gonna see this video, but why I keep saying I'm getting ready for work, because your girl is officially monetized on YouTube, y'all. That is crazy. That has always been my dream for so long. I'm gonna probably do a separate video talking about this, but I just had to let y'all in because if it wasn't for y'all, that would not have been possible. So to everybody that has been supporting me on this journey, I want y'all to know that I really, 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 really appreciate y'all. And I promise, like, all of y'all support, like everybody that has supported me, your support is not going to be in vain. I'll make y'all proud, okay? Y'all keep calling me Miss Superstar. Yes, I am a superstar, and all of y'all can say that y'all know a superstar. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all my outfit probably at the end of this video, but that aside, the main thing like that I just wanted to share with y'all in this video is keep chasing your dreams, y'all. Like, just keep chasing your dreams. Never give up. Like, literally never give up on achieving your dreams, achieving your goals, and continue working towards it. Sometimes you could be like, oh, I haven't given up, but if you're not working towards your dreams, if you're not working towards your goal, in a sense you have given up, or you can be on the verge of giving up and not even realize it. So I say continue working on your dreams, working on your goals, because eventually they will come to pass. If you continue to be consistent, if you continue to put in the work, continue to put in the time, continue to believe, y'all, I'm not going to talk too much because I am going to just make a whole separate video on this, but I'm just telling y'all from this experience I had up until this point of me getting monetized, keep chasing your dreams, keep following your dreams. If you don't know what being monetized means, that means you can make money from creating content, making videos on YouTube, just so that you know, because someone did ask what does monetized mean, and that's okay. It's a foreign language, so it's completely okay. But keep chasing your dreams, y'all. I've been doing this YouTube thing for 5 years. I took 2.5 years off. I did not do anything with YouTube for 2.5 years. I came back and literally 6 months later, we're here. So whatever it is that you want to do, whatever it is that you want to go after, continue to go after it. Do not give up. Do not quit. Especially if it's something that's in alignment with your purpose. Like, if it's in alignment with your purpose, continue to pursue it. Continue to go after it. Don't quit, because I feel like when you're walking in your purpose, when you're living in your purpose, when you're doing whatever it is that you want to do, you're happier, you're more fulfilled. Like, every single day that you wake up and you know that you're doing what you're called to do, you're so much more happier. Things that used to bother you will no longer bother you. Why? Because you're walking in your purpose, you're living in your purpose, you're doing what God has called you to do. So keep chasing your dreams, y'all. Whoever is watching this, yes, don't get me wrong, it is gonna get hard. Yes, it is gonna take blood, sweat, and tears, literally. Like, some days you're gonna be crying because you're in so much pain from the amount of work that you're putting into whatever it is that you're trying to achieve, but it's all going to pay off. It's all going to be the most rewarding thing ever. It's going to be an amazing feeling, and I want everybody that watches me to experience that. You know what I'm trying to say? And I just feel like the only way to experience it is to just do it. Like, whatever it is that you want to do, whatever it is that you want to accomplish, and take it one step at a time. You can't do everything overnight. It's not an overnight process, I promise. It's not. But when you make up your mind to do something, do it. Surround yourself with people that will support you in doing that. If those people don't support you, remove yourself from those people, because again, as I told y'all, I can't become what I'm becoming through YouTube without y'all that watch me, without y'all that support me. Like, y'all motivate me to go hard. Like, y'all see, I mean, once upon a time, y'all saw way more in me than I saw in myself. Y'all saw me bigger than I saw myself. You get what I'm trying to say? So you need to put yourself in the right environment. And that's what I'm saying. Like, when you figure out what your purpose is, when you get in alignment with what you're supposed to do, everything will literally fall into place. And the other thing is, be patient. Still pursue your dreams, but be patient. And when you make mistakes, as you make mistakes, you're gonna learn. You're gonna be like, okay, this worked, this doesn't work. But it's not gonna happen if you stop chasing your dreams, if you stop chasing your goals. Like, literally today, I got an email, and I'm trying not to say too much, but literally today I got an email from YouTube saying that I got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and that I'm officially monetized on YouTube. If I had quit, if I had stopped, if I never came back on YouTube 2.5 years later, that would have never happened. So whatever it is that you're trying to pursue, whatever it is that you're trying to reach, whether it's business, whether it's school, it don't even have to be entrepreneurship. Like, I tell y'all all the time, like, my goal is to inspire you that's watching this video. Yes, I'm talking to you, okay? You that's watching this video. My goal, my mission is to inspire you and millions of other people all around the world to be the greatest version of yourself. Like, but to be the greatest version of yourself, you have to figure out what you want. You have to keep chasing that dream. You have to keep chasing that goal. I personally believe every single person have a dream that they want to accomplish. They have a dream that they want to fulfill. You get what I'm trying to say? And you can do it, I promise. Like, if I can do it, if I'm coming from where I come from, and throughout my channel, eventually, like, I'll share my story. Like, one of the things that I really want to do, and I know I'm going to do it eventually, is I want to create like a documentary. I've seen like several other YouTubers do it, like where they go back to their home state and they film like where they come from. They film the house they grew up in, everything. And I want to show y'all like where I came from, like, because I didn't come from like wealth, having money, all of that stuff. No, like, I struggled just like some of y'all are probably struggling now. I came from struggle just like some of y'all that's watching this came from struggle. And I just personally feel like if I could do it, the people that's watching me can do it. And I believe in y'all just as much as y'all believe in me, but y'all have to go after your dreams. You have to go after your goals. If you feel like there's something holding you back, if you feel like there's something distracting you, put it to the side. Figure out how to get away from that thing that's distracting you, because I knew what one of my biggest distractions was, and it was really hard to put it like on the back burner, but eventually I did, and now we are here. So keep chasing your dreams. Whatever dreams you have, whatever goals you have, keep going after them. Do not give up. If you give up, then you're not going to see the results. If I stopped 2.5 years ago like I did, like, that is really crazy to me. Like, I still scroll back and I see December 2019 was the last time I posted a video, and then August 2022 of this year is when I started posting again. You get what I'm trying to say? So had I stopped at the December 2019 video, I would not be here talking to y'all, motivating y'all, telling y'all like, if I could do it, y'all could do it. So just keep going, man. Like, whatever it is that you want to do, keep going. Yes, trust me, it's going to be hard. Like, in my video, like, I'm gonna do a separate video on that, because it's just gonna be so much to say. I'm gonna have so much to tell y'all. Like, and that video is probably gonna be long, but in that video I will tell y'all like how much like work I put in, how much time I put in, like, because I wanted it so bad. And you have to come to a place where you want to achieve your dreams really badly. Like, you gotta want it like so bad that you're literally willing to do whatever it takes to make it happen. You get what I'm trying to say? So keep chasing your dreams, keep chasing your goals. I hope this motivates y'all. Happy new week. I got some water in here. I don't got no what's the name, but I don't got like no juice pouring out or whatever. But y'all know I love just cheersing to a new year, cheersing to a big year. I already told y'all like 2023 is going to be one of the biggest years of my life, and I want 2023 to be one of the biggest years of y'all life. I know it's not a mukbang, but get y'all water, y'all bottle, whatever y'all got, and let's say cheers to chasing your dreams. Cheers to achieving your goals, following your dreams, achieving your dreams, achieving your goals. Cheers to a big 2023, and that's pretty much all I got for y'all. I gotta show you my outfit, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I got so much like amazing content coming for y'all, so make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm actually excited to be back on camera, because your girl was off the tube for like 2 days because I needed time to process everything. But I think I pretty much processed everything. I'm definitely ready to get back to work. I'm definitely ready to get back to creating content, everything, and just taking my channel to another level. Like, yeah, before this year ends, which is like a few weeks, my goal is, I want to tell y'all, but I don't want to tell y'all, but I'm gonna tell y'all anyway. My goal is to get to at least 10K subscribers, at least 10K. Now, between the next 6 months, I definitely have a bigger goal to reach a bigger audience. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe. Also, share my channel, y'all, please, because your girl's trying to grow, okay? So, and I'm also, I think I did put out part 1 one promo of it, but I am also going to do like a really big giveaway on my channel. I am, just to show my appreciation, because I've never done one over the 5 years that I've been doing YouTube, and I think it's time to do it because I just want to also give back to my supporters. If you know me in real life, you know that I'm a really nice person. You know that I'm a person that likes to give. Like, I just do. It's in my nature. It's natural to me. So I want to incorporate that version of myself on my channel as well. So stay tuned for that. I don't have everything figured out yet. I got some meetings today. That's why I said today is the first official day of work for me as a monetized YouTuber. Okay, don't play with her. She is not one of them. All right, yeah, so come correct. All right, no, I'm kidding, but I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm about to show y'all my outfit real quick because I do have to get off this camera, go handle some business so I can keep this content coming for y'all. But this is my fit, y'all. Hold on, let me take this away. But look it, I got this dress on. You can see that light is like vicious. Oh, okay, I hope y'all can see it. But I have this little dress on, some leggings under, because it's kind of cold today, so I went with long sleeve. Y'all know usually I got short sleeve on or whatever, because I don't know, I usually get hot by the time I'm doing this get ready with me video. Oh, that's another thing I'm about to show y'all too. It's snowing in New England. It snowed yesterday, so of course I had to pull out like the long sleeve fit, the leggings and stuff like that. But this is my outfit, y'all. It's super cute, this little dress, and got my jewelry on. I decided to wear gold, as I told y'all, because usually whatever like color hardware is in my outfit, that's the color hardware I'm gonna go with. So if it has silver hardware, I'm going with silver. These little gold balls on the dress, it only makes sense for me to put gold on, okay? So I'm giving y'all some fashion advice. If y'all not paying attention, y'all gotta pay attention. I'm not leaving the house. I left the house this morning. I'm not leaving the house again. I'm not in the mood to leave the house. Like, I'm not. So I'm not putting on no shoes or nothing like that. Y'all just gonna get some socks today, okay? That's my shoes. And if I was going somewhere, y'all, lately I've been in like this purple vibes. I would have worn this bag to go with it, but as I told y'all, as of right now, I'm not leaving the house because all the business that I gotta handle, I can handle it from my house. So, and I don't feel like leaving the house because it's snowing outside. So that's my outfit, y'all. I gotta take pictures for the thumbnail. Yeah, I gotta take pictures for the thumbnail, and then I gotta get to work, y'all. I got stuff to do. I got some stuff to handle. Oh, let me show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all this picture because I don't want y'all to like, I would show y'all like outside my house, but I've seen where YouTubers, like people find where they live and their supporters start like showing up to their house, and I don't want nobody showing up to my house. So I definitely have to be 10 times more considerate of what I share on here now. So I'm gonna show y'all, but it snowed yesterday, y'all. That was me outside in the snow, in the cold, but it snowed in New England. So hey y'all, so I'm also bring y'all in a sneak peek of my first day of work, okay? This is me working. Usually to get through, I need some sunflower seeds. I have my cup, and then of course a beverage. I might save this for a mukbang though, because y'all be coming for me in the mukbangs. No, I'm kidding, but and water. So I'm gonna speed this clip up and include it in for y'all. Yes, baby. I feel celebrated. Alright, y'all, so I gotta watch some videos. I'm gonna cut it right here, but I hope y'all enjoyed this sneak peek of my first day of work. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? All right? Thank you. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Bye.